Hello students, welcome to the second video of derivative. In today's video we are going to see the rules of derivatives. Okay, so let's start with rules of derivative. In previous video we had seen the definition of derivative, means what do we mean by differentiation. Then we had seen standard derivatives, means some derivative of some standard functions. Now in today's video we are going to see the basic rules of derivatives. Now the first rule is sum rule. Sum rule means suppose there are two functions f of x and g of x, and in between there is a plus sign, addition sign, and we have to find the derivative of both the function. So that is equal to derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Okay, for example, suppose I have to find derivative of 3x plus sin x. Okay, so 3x is a one function and sin x is another function. Now to find the derivative of 3x plus sin x, that means I have to find derivative of 3x plus derivative of sin x. Okay, derivative of 3x plus derivative of sin x. Now derivative of kx. Derivative of kx is k. So derivative of 3x will be 3. Right? Derivative of kx is k. And hence derivative of 3x will be 3. Then plus derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So derivative is 3 plus cos x. Okay, so sum rule is clear to everyone. Sum rule is if there is a plus sign, then we can find derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Then second rule is difference rule. Difference rule says that to find derivative of one function minus another function is same as derivative of first function minus derivative of second function. Okay, same like sum rule. So for example, suppose we have derivative of 3x minus sin x. Okay, so this is given in form of f of x minus g of x. Then that is equal to derivative of 3x minus derivative of sin x. Okay, now that is equal to derivative of kx is k. So derivative of 3x will be 3 minus derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So 3 minus cos x. Okay, so sum rule means if it is in the form of f of x plus g of x, then we can find derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Difference rule means if it is in the form of f of x minus g of x, then that we can find as derivative of first function minus derivative of second function. Then constant multiply rule means if the derivative is in the form of k into f of x, then that is equal to k will come outside the derivative. Then we have to find derivative of function. So for example, if it is given as derivative of 4 log x. Okay, 4 into log x. So we'll take this constant k, means 4, outside the derivative. Then it will be 4 into derivative of log x. So that is equal to 4 into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative is 4 upon x. Okay, so k into function. So k will come outside the derivative and we have to find derivative of only function. Then next is if only k is given, if only constant is given, then derivative will be 0. So derivative of constant 0. Okay, so these are the some basic rules of derivative. Now here comes the very important rule of derivative, and this is known as a multiplication rule or u into v rule. So let's see the u into v rule of derivative. So if y is equal to u into v, means there are two different functions, okay, which are in the form of multiplication. Then dy upon dx or derivative of this u v will be, take u outside and find the derivative of v, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, so the rule for u into v is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Now let's see the example for this. So suppose y is equal to log x into sin x. Okay, now log x means u, sin x means v. Now to differentiate this means dy upon dx will be log x as it is, then we have to take derivative of sin x, we have to find derivative of sin x, then plus sin x as it is, and we have to take derivative of log x. Okay, so that is equal to log x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So this is the derivative of log x into sin x. So very important rule, u into v rule. U into v rule is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, then next is a u upon v rule or u upon v rule or derivative of product, no, derivative of division of a function. This is not product, okay, this is a division. This word is wrong, it is a derivative of division of a function, means u upon v rule. So if y is equal to u upon v, where u and v both are functions of x, then dy upon dx will be v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v whole upon v square. Okay, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v whole upon v square. Compulsory you have to start from denominator. Okay, so take v and find the derivative of numerator, then minus take u and find the derivative of v and whole upon v square. Now let us see the example. Suppose y is equal to log x upon sin x. Okay, then dy upon dx will be, we have to start from denominator, so write sin x into derivative of log x, okay, minus log x into derivative of sin x, okay, whole upon sin x whole square. Okay, so like this you have to find the derivative of log x upon sin x. So that will be sin x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x minus log x, derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, so that is equal to sin x into 1 upon x, okay, sin x into 1 upon x minus log x into cos x whole divided by sin square x. Okay, so this will be a example. Clear? So these two rules means u into v and u upon v. These two are very important rules of derivative. So once again, u into v is u into derivative of v, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. and u upon v is v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v whole upon v square. Okay, now let us see the example. So example 1 is find derivative if y is equal to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus e raised to x. Now differentiating y with respect to x, we get derivative of y is dy upon dx, that is equal to derivative of whole term, right? Now all the terms are in the form of sum, right? Plus sign is given, so that means derivative of first term plus derivative of second term plus derivative of third term. Now first x raised to n formula, so derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1 means 9. So 10 into x raised to 9. Then derivative of 10 raised to x. So here we are going to use this formula, derivative of a raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So derivative of 10 raised to x will be 10 raised to x into log 10. Then derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So here we use the sum rule, right? First rule, addition rule, and we use the formula of standard function, derivative of standard function, right? Then second example, find dy upon dx if y is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, now differentiating y with respect to x, we are going to use u into v rule. So x plus 1 is u and x plus 2 is v. So u into derivative of v, x plus 2 plus x plus 2 into derivative of u means x plus 1. So x plus 1 as it is. Now derivative of x plus 2 means derivative of x plus derivative of 2. Here we have to use the addition rule, right? बाकी सब भूल जाओ, just concentrate on this much part. This is nothing but derivative of x plus 2 means in addition form. So derivative of x plus derivative of 2. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 2 is constant is 0. Then x plus 2 into derivative of x plus 1. Derivative of x again 1. Derivative of 1 0. So that is equal to x plus 1 into 1. So x plus 1. X plus 2 into 1. So x plus 2. So that is equal to 2x plus 3. So answer is 2x plus 3. So here we used u into v rule. Okay, and formula of standard function. Okay, we also use u plus v rule, right? Here to differentiate we use u plus v rule. Then see one more example, y is equal to e raised to x into sin x, right? So u into v. So e raised to x into derivative of sin x plus sin x into derivative of e raised to x. This is e raised to x, not e raised to y. Okay, so e raised to x as it is, derivative of sin x cos x. Now sin x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now take e raised to x common. Okay, so what is remaining? Cos x plus sin x. So e raised to x into cos x plus sin x. Now see the fourth example. Y is given as e raised to x into 10x. Okay, so y is equal to e raised to x into 10x. Again u into v rule. So e raised to x into derivative of 10x plus 10x into derivative of e raised to x. So e raised to x as it is. Derivative of 10x is sec square x. Then 10x as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So it will be e raised to x into sec square x plus 10x. Okay. Next is find dy upon dx if y is equal to x into a raised to x. Okay. Plus log x to the base a plus log a to the base a. Now x into a raised to x plus log x to the base a. This term, first we have to change the base, so that this can be written as log x to the base a. This can be written as log x to the base e upon log a to the base e by change of base rule. Okay, change of base rule of logarithm. Okay, so by using change of base rule, we can write this log x to the base a as log x to the base e upon log a to the base e. Then this log a to the base a, this is equal to 1. Again from rules of logarithm. So that is equal to 1. Now do the differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx. That is equal to derivative of x into a raised to x plus 1 upon log a constant, so outside, into derivative of log x plus derivative of 1. Now derivative of x into a raised to x means u into v. So x into derivative of a raised to x plus a raised to x into derivative of x, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u plus 1 upon log a constant, so outside, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus derivative of 1 is 0. So that is equal to x into a raised to x log a plus a raised to x into 1 plus 1 upon x log a. Okay, so finally we get answer this. Clear? Now let's see some more example on u upon v rule. So question is find dy upon dx if y is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. So clearly it is in the form of u upon v. Okay, so v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Okay, so x minus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 minus x plus 1 as it is, derivative of x minus 1 is 1, okay, upon 1 x minus 1 the whole square. Now that will be x minus 1. So in between there is a minus sign, so sign will be changed, minus x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. So x minus x 0 minus 1 is minus 2 upon x minus 1 the whole square. Then next is find dy upon dx if y is equal to 1 plus root x upon 1 minus root x. Again we have to apply u upon v rule. So v, start from denominator, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Okay, after writing this, 1 minus root x as it is into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, then minus 1 plus root x as it is, then derivative of 1 is 0 and minus derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x upon 1 minus root x whole square. Now take this 1 upon 2 root x as common. So remaining terms are 1 minus root x minus 1 plus root x. Okay, So that will be 1 minus root x minus 1 plus root x. Okay, so root x minus root x plus root x cancel, so 1 plus 1, so that is equal to 1 upon 2 root x into 2 upon 1 minus root x whole square. Okay, so this 2 cancel, so finally we get answer as 1 upon root x into 1 minus root x whole square. So with this I am concluding my second video, which was based on rules of differentiation. So thank you students.